Everyone, this is Brian Hoops, President of Midwest Market Solutions, and our Market Insider Market News on Monday. It is March the 2nd. We're coming back off through the weekend, seeing some strength in the grain and livestock markets. Deliveries not as big as expected in corn, soybeans, and wheat, allowing those markets to recover. Some dryness in parts of Argentina and Brazil also supporting the markets, and the big outside bullish reversal in soybean meal, giving us some technical and fundamental buying interest in the markets here today. Now, the livestock market's been beaten down, especially the cattle and feeder cattle markets, by the coronavirus, following the lead of the stock market. Stock market did recover late on Friday. It's up again this morning, and that's helping the Hey everyone, this is Brian Hoops, President of Midwest Market Solutions, and our Market Insider Market News for Monday. It is March the 2nd. Thanks for joining us here. Hope you had a great weekend. The grain and livestock markets are firmer into the trading session here. We're seeing a recovery in the stock market. We saw that late on Friday, especially after the Fed announced they would take necessary measures to support the economy, and that would mean an interest rate cut. And there's a very high chance we're going to see one by the June report and FOMC meetings. So I do expect to see a very strong economy through the balance of 2020. This looks like a very large but a healthy correction that the market needed. And the livestock markets have really followed, especially the live and feeder cattle markets have followed what's happening in the stock market. They should recover. I think you're fundamentally undervalued, much undervalued in the cattle futures, and I think you're going to see a pretty significant rally back into the spring and the summer months. Now, I wish I could say the same thing for the grains. Soybean meal had a bullish weekly reversal last week and is adding to gains here this morning. That's the upside leader. Soybeans also finding some support as there's dryness possibilities in parts of Argentina. Brazil is getting close to 50% harvested on their soybeans. They'll be planting corn right after that. So there's some dryness concerns in that country as well for the crop that's being seeded. So we're not out of the woods yet as far as harvesting the South American crop. We may have some problems down the road, and that could give us some spikes in this market. But overall, the fundamentals are going to be negative for corn and soybeans. If we're going to plant big acres and have a big crop this fall, we're going to have huge carry-out numbers for corn and to a lesser extent for soybeans. So if you'd like someone to help you navigate the marketing waters, you can contact our firm. We have a hedge program that does not only cash marketing, but also recommendations in the hedging, cash sales, everything you need for your farm operations. So contact us. We'd be glad to help you out with that. Have a great day, everyone, and good luck, good trading. Talk to you soon.